Hello children, today we are going to read chapter 11 Ali's Lost Cat in English. This is the story about Ali who lost his cat. He looked for Sandy, his cat, everywhere but could not find him. The name of the cat is Sandy. So let's start with the story. Ali's pet cat, Sandy, is lost. He looks for Sandy everywhere. Sandy, inside the cupboard, he is not there. Under the table, he is not there. Oh dear, where can Sandy be? Asked Ali. Where are you, Sandy? Now here, Sandy is looking for the cat inside the cupboard and under the table, but he could not find the cat anywhere. Ali looks under the bed. No, Sandy is not there. Ali goes running to Grandpa. Grandpa, Grandpa, Sandy is lost. I cannot find him anywhere. So Ali has searched the cat under the table also, but Sandy is not there, and he started calling his grandpa, and he says to grandpa that I cannot find him anywhere. उसे अपनी cat कहीं नहीं मिलती है. Grandpa asks, did you look under the table? Yes, I did, says Ali. He is not there. Where could he have gone? Says Grandpa. Do not worry, we will find him. Ali and Grandpa go out into the garden. They seek Sandy on the branch of the tree. You can see here, they find the cat on the branch of the tree in the garden. Grandpa goes back home and brings a ladder. So Grandpa brought a ladder. Ali says to Sandy, do not worry, Sandy, Grandpa will bring you down. Grandpa climbs the tree. He brings Sandy down. So Grandpa brought a ladder and Grandpa climbs the tree and brings the Sandy down. You can see here in the picture. Grandpa says, here is your naughty cat. Ali says, thank you, Grandpa. I love you. Let us take him inside, says Grandpa. So Ali says thank you to the grandpa and says that Ali loves you too much, and grandpa says let us take him inside. उन्हें कैट वहाँ से मिल जाती है ब्रांच के ऊपर से और ग्रैंडपा उसे अली को दे देता है. Sandy is happy to be with Ali again. He says meow. Hope you all have enjoyed the story. Now let's read word meanings. Lost. Lost means missing. Cupboard, where we keep our clothes and other things. Branch, you can see a picture of branch here. हम हिंदी में इसे टहनी कहते हैं. Ladder, used for climbing. This is a ladder. Naughty, badly behaved. Now we will read these words. Table, tree, worry, home and ladder. Okay, now we will answer the questions here. What is the name of Ali's cat? Sandy. Sandy is the name of the Ali's cat. Where did Ali look for the cat? He looks for the cat under the table, inside the cupboard and under the bed. Did Ali find Sandy? No. Whom did he go to for help? He go to for help to Grandpa. Where did Ali and Grandpa go? They both go to the garden. Where did they see Sandy? They see Sandy on the branch. What did Grandpa bring? Grandpa brings ladder. Could Grandpa bring Sandy down? Yes. Did Ali thank Grandpa? Yes. Was Sandy happy? Yes, Sandy was happy. So now let's read the phonic words here. U-E-E-W, clue, blue, true, dew, hue, glue, chew, blew, flew, drew, threw, knew. Fill in the blanks. Use glue or blue to stick the picture. Use glue. The word flew or blew into the room. The bird flew. At sunset, the sky has a reddish hue. I like to read true stories. I drew a beautiful flower on the card. He knew that he was late. The plane got delayed due to fog. Blue is my favorite color. You have to choose words from these two words. Strong wind blew away the dry leaves. Chew your food properly. Now we will read the month of the year. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Here you have to fill the names of the month. Read the sentence and fill in the blanks. In this you have to fill the birthday month of your mother and father, and same way you have to do these sentences also. Thank you.